Usapan po natin today ay tungkol po sa assistance to individuals in crisis situation, and at the same time yung issue po ng mga guarantee letter, ano po, yung sinasabi nila hindi impluwensyahan lang yan ng mga politiko at ni mayor, ni congressman, ni senator, ay hindi po, ano po. Una muna, pag-usapan natin, may budget ba para rito sa 2026, Director?
Yeah. Maraming salamat, Sir Alvin, sa Sir Jess. So, sa lahat po na nanonood, maraming salamat. But for this year, we are so happy to announce po, for the assistance to individual in crisis situation po, tayo po ay napabura na mabigyan po ng fund with a total of 63.8 billion.
Yeah. From?
Yes. From actually, it's more of the 55 billion for the last year. So, happy po kami. But of course, for us, the SWD and the program implementers, both challenge and opportunity.
Tama.
Challenge to really to make sure that this will be judiciously implemented.
Yes.
And of course, at the same time po, opportunity to help more people for this year.
Para magkalinawan lang po tayo, in 2026, this year, ano po, may mga programa po na magbababay, pero may programa naman na masusustain at matutuloy at budgeted na po for 2026. Si Director ang magkikwento sa atin, alin yung mawawala, alin yung ma-retain, at paanong discarding gagawin na hindi naman mawalan ng ayuda yung ating mga kababayan.
Actually, for this year po, as you all know, that ayuda sa Kapos Angkiti is no longer part of the program funded by 2026 GAA. So basically,
yung AKAP yun?
Yung AKAP ito, yes, that's popularly known as AKAP. But we have to ensure the public na despite of this program not being funded, the AIC is ready to accommodate them. So that's why we're trying to expand po now the guidelines. We're undergoing review so that we wanted to accommodate everybody who was accommodated under AKAP before for them to be assisted still continuously this year kasi they are also in crisis. At as we all know that this AKAP is a targeted social assistance for those below low minimum wage earners. But they are in crisis as well. Actually, yun talaga ang purpose ng AKAP ang matulungan talaga tong sektor ng ating komunidad. Kasi sila yung mga less na nakikita natin But this time, despite of the law sa AKAP, AIX is there. As we always say naman that AIX is a catch-all program. So wala kaming tinitingnan sa AIX na social status. Yes. Kung anong poverty classification, anong income level, source of income, as long as ang triggered talaga natin sa AIX ay meron kang crisis. Ang DSWD, as always, Secretary Rex Gatchal is saying, laging bukas po ang pinto namin for everybody.
Okay.